Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. So in this video we will see how to edit the form on the WooCommerce checkout page. Here you will see the standard form on the WooCommerce checkout page. You will see different fields on this form such as first name, last name, company name and many other fields. Now you may want to delete some of the fields, or you may want to change the name of these fields, or you may want to make them required or not required. You can do it easily by installing a simple free plugin. So let's see how we can edit this checkout form on the WooCommerce website. If you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos on WordPress, WooCommerce and search engine optimization. So let's start with the video. I'm already logged into the dashboard of this WordPress website. Let's go to plugins, then go to add new and search for the plugin called as WooCommerce Checkout Field Editor. So this will be the name of the plugin, WooCommerce Checkout Field Editor, and here you will see that plugin made by ThemeHigh, and you can see that it has been installed on 400,000 plus websites. So click on install now. Now click on activate. Now go to WooCommerce and here you will see an option checkout form. Click on it. Now here you will see the entire form that you see here. Okay, now we are going to edit this form. Let's see, I want to delete this one. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll check this box and I'll click on remove. So this last name field is removed and I want to edit this one, the first name. Click on edit, first name, let's make it full name. Okay, so this will be the name of the customer. If you do not want to make it required, you can uncheck this box and enabled is enabled. This field is enabled. All right, now this is the placeholder. Let's put it full name, the same placeholder. Save and close. Okay, now let's save the changes. All right, so let's delete this one again and then save the changes. Okay, now let's go back and refresh this page. Now you will see that the last name has been gone. Okay, now let's see how we can make it full width. This is the company name. Let's go to edit and here you can see the class of this field. Copy this and let's go back to the first name or the full name and change the class here. Save and close. Save the changes and let's refresh it. Now here you will see the field is now full width. Now let's see, I want to delete this company name. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead, check this and remove it. Or let's say this time we are going to, let's refresh it, we will disable it. Click on it, click on disable. You can save the changes. Okay, now let's refresh it. Okay, so that field is now disabled. You will not see it here. Okay, so that field is disabled now. Now let's say I want to add one more field. So click on add field and the type of the field. Here you will see many different types of the fields that you can add to the checkout form. Let's see, add date. Okay, make it billing date and let's say shipping date. The customer wants the shipping to after this date, so let's make it shipping date. Validation, display in emails, yes, display in order details page. Okay, so shipping date, let's add it, save and close and save the changes. Refresh it. Now here you will see shipping date option. Okay, now let's see what are the other fields that we can add. Okay, here you will see text, number, hidden, password, email, phone, text area, radio, select. So So there are many fields that you can add using this checkout form editor. Right now let's see other options. Shipping fields. Here you can edit the shipping fields, and this is additional fields. Alright, now let's go to advanced settings. Now it says enable label override for address fields, enable placeholder override for address fields. So these are the overrides, not really required, and these are the premium features. If you want to buy a pro plugin, then you can go ahead and check all the premium features of this plugin. I think the free plugin is good enough to change the fields on the checkout form. So this is very simple plugin that you can install on your WordPress website and edit the WooCommerce checkout form using this plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.